The biggest challenge men face today isn't money, success, or even finding true love. It's understanding women. Many men work hard, build stable lives, chase ambitious goals, and maintain strong discipline. Yet when it comes to reading a woman's signals, they often feel completely lost. They mistake kindness for romantic interest or assume indifference when there is genuine attraction. The result is frustration, doubt, and sometimes even deep heartbreak. Here's the truth. Women do show interest, but rarely through direct words. They almost never say, "I like you," outright. Instead, they communicate through subtle gestures, energy, body language, and the rhythm of interaction. Once you learn to read these silent signals, you stop guessing and start truly connecting. If a woman does these 7 things when she's around you, it's not just casual friendliness. She's quietly but clearly expressing emotional, physical, and energetic attraction toward you. Let's break them down. Number 1, touch is a silent invitation. Physical contact is one of the most honest forms of desire. As humans, we naturally protect our personal space. But when attraction appears, those boundaries begin to soften. If a woman feels drawn to you, her body will start seeking closeness. Maybe her hand brushes yours by accident. Maybe her shoulder stays near yours, even when there's space to move away. Or she gives you a playful push after laughing. These aren't random moments. They are small signals saying, "I feel comfortable with you." Touch involves vulnerability, and a woman only allows that when there is trust and attraction. If her knee touches yours and she doesn't pull away, if her body keeps leaning toward you, it shows comfort, openness, and desire. Your role is simple. Don't rush. Stay calm, present, and respectful of her boundaries. Attraction grows in calm energy, not pressure. Number 2, the eyes as a mirror of desire. People say the eyes are the windows to the soul, but they are also an entry point to attraction. Attraction rarely starts with words. It begins with visual connection. Eye contact that lasts just a second longer than usual, carrying a subtle magnetic charge. If she's interested, her eyes will keep finding yours. She might look at you from across the room, hold your gaze longer than normal, soften her facial expression while speaking, or show slightly dilated pupils. None of this is accidental. It's attraction in motion, but your response matters just as much. Looking away too quickly signals insecurity. Staring too intensely can feel uncomfortable. The key is balance. Meet her gaze calmly. Allow a slight smile, then slowly look away. This rhythm of looking, connecting, and gently breaking eye contact creates positive tension, comfort, and trust. When her gaze keeps returning to you, her subconscious is saying, "I see you now. See me too." Number 3, laughter as a disguise for desire. Laughter is one of the most natural signs of comfort and attraction. Women don't laugh freely with just anyone, but when she's into you, she'll laugh more often, more openly, and more naturally. Even simple comments feel funnier. Silences feel lighter. Awkward moments disappear. She's not just laughing at what you say, but at how you make her feel. Laughter releases emotion, lowers defenses, and builds connection without needing physical contact. Pay attention to the details. Does she lean toward you while laughing? Does she touch your arm? Does she keep looking at you after the laughter fades? That's a deeper level of attraction. You don't need to be a comedian. What matters is making her feel relaxed, free, and safe around you. Number 4, mirroring as a subconscious dance. When 2 people truly connect, their bodies begin to mirror each other without realizing it. This is a natural biological response. You lean forward, she leans forward. You slow your speech, she matches your pace. You smile, and she reflects it almost instantly. This is one of the strongest nonverbal signs of chemistry. If a woman isn't interested, her body will stay distant and closed. But if she begins to mirror your movements, even in small ways, like how she holds her drink, her body is saying, "I'm in sync with you." Most importantly, your energy sets the tone. If you're nervous, she'll feel it and become tense. If you're calm and confident, she'll naturally relax as well. This isn't manipulation. It's a natural instinct that signals deep compatibility.